Red is the apple, juicy and sweet. Yellow is the banana, a yummy treat. Blue is the sky, so big and wide. Green is the grass where bunnies hide. Colors are fun, come sing along. Let's learn colors in this happy song. Orange is the carrot, crunchy to bite. Purple is the grape, such a lovely sight. Pink is the flower, soft and bright. Brown is the bear we hug at night. Colors are fun, come sing along. Let's learn colors in this happy song. Black is the night when stars shine through. White is the snow so cold and new. Gray is the elephant, big and slow. Gold is the crown with a royal glow. Colors are fun, come sing along. With Arwa rhymes you can't go wrong. Red like roses in the sun. Yellow like ducklings having fun. Blue like oceans deep and wide. Green like trees where birds can hide. Let's look around and name each hue. There's a color waiting just for you. Purple balloons that float up high. Pink cotton candy near the sky. Brown chocolate in your treat. White snowflakes fall so sweet. Colors, colors everywhere. In your clothes and in the air. So grab your crayons, paint the day. Draw a rainbow, come and play. With Arwa rhymes we sing with cheer. Learning colors all through the year. Smile and shine the whole day through. Arwa rhymes is here.